My name is Dr. Sean Wasserman. I'm an infectious diseases physician at the University of Cape Town and Groote Schuur Hospital. My colleagues and I are looking after patients currently in hospital with coronavirus, COVID-19. Today I would like to speak to you about flattening the curve for the coronavirus epidemic in South Africa. COVID-19 is due to an infection with a new coronavirus in humans. The first person was diagnosed with COVID-19 in South Africa in early March 2020. Before that, no South African had ever been infected with this particular coronavirus. So our population has had no immunity to this virus. For this reason, this coronavirus and the disease it causes, COVID-19, has the potential to spread through our communities like a wildfire through a dry bushveld. Every infected person can infect 3 other people on average. And so the infection spreads faster and faster with time if strict measures are not put in place to stop transmission from one infected person to other people. If we do not rapidly put strict measures in place to stop the spread of this virus through our community, many people will get sick with the infection over the next few weeks. Although most of us who are infected with the coronavirus will have a mild illness, certain groups of people are at risk of becoming severely ill and needing hospitalization. If many people become infected at the same time or over a very short period, then the number of people with severe COVID-19 could become very large. What we do not want is all of these people requiring care in our hospitals over a period of a few weeks. That may mean that hundreds of thousands of people may need hospitalization, and it will completely overwhelm our hospitals, which will not be able to cope, and patients will not get adequate treatment. By implementing lockdown and social distancing to ensure minimal contact between people, we aim to dramatically reduce the number of infections happening over the next few weeks. To stop the spread of the virus, we all need to behave like we have already been infected. This will mean that all those people with COVID-19 and any other illness that may need care can be admitted to our hospitals and receive the care that they need. So, flattening the curve means slowing the rate at which the number of new infections occur, so that you, your family, friends, and the South African population as a whole can still receive the care that they need. So as healthcare workers across South Africa, we are pleading with South Africans: respect the lockdown, ensure physical distancing, and stay at home. Please help us to help you.